Dogs obesity. In North America, obesity is the most common preventable disease in dogs. Approximately 25 to 30% of the general canine population is obese. And what is the obesity? Obesity is an accumulation of excess body fat. Extra body weight and extra body fat tend to go hand in hand. So, most overweight dogs will have excess body fat. Dogs are considered to be overweight when they weigh 10 to 20% above their ideal body weight. They are considered obese when they weigh 20% or more above their ideal body weight. Is your dog overweight? To check if your dog is overweight, you should be able to see and feel the outline of your dog's ribs without excess fat covering. You should be able to see and feel your dog's waist, and it should be clear visible when viewed from above. Your dog's belly should be tucked up when viewed from the side. Are certain pets more likely to be obese? Several factors make obesity more likely in pets. For example, breed. Certain breeds have a higher risk. The age. The risk increases with the age. And the neuter status. Neuter dogs are more at risk. And last one, the sex. A part of older dogs, obesity is reported to be more common in females.